Today we're going to learn how to make my chicken and shrimp penne pasta with homemade Alfredo sauce. So remember the chicken and shrimp that we were cooking before with the vegetables? They're done, so we're going to strain them. Let's get the oils and stuff out. We don't want any of that in here because we have our Alfredo sauce. So let's let that drain. Okay, now we have our penne pasta. Now we're going to take our chicken and shrimp and vegetables, and we're just going to add that to the pan. And we're going to mix that all together. Like so. That looks good. Okay, and now we're ready for our Alfredo sauce. Let's mix that all together. Just add a little more Alfredo sauce. Mix that in. Just make sure you get it all the way even on the bottom. Some of the pieces on the bottom don't have, so mix it really good. Let's add our oregano. And there you have it.